We are gonna check out this cute little travel trailer. It has tons of windows and it has a patio that folds out. Now this is the Wildwood 269 VCX, and I think you're gonna like it. So starting with the interior, we do have an L-shaped couch, and the cool feature about this is that it already has a dinner tray attached to it. How convenient is that? A 65-inch TV and a fireplace for a little bit of coziness. We are gonna check out these large windows because there's so many of them and they're so huge. I love this because you can just slide it on open and have the fresh breeze come through. And if you're really lucky and you're in the mountains, you get that fresh air. Kitchen, we have tons of storage. We have a fan, a 3 stove burner, and a microwave. And here we have additional storage. So you have another pantry here and a 12-volt refrigerator. Behind me is additional storage and a sink. These also open up and you'll have additional storage in there as well. This is super cool. This is what we're seeing in a lot of the 25 models, and I'm loving that because that makes it so much easier just to like flip your cup, swish it around in some water, and then dry it. And then you have this little table here. You can have someone sit on either side, enjoy a meal. Outside, we have a fold-out patio. And this is really cool because you can have some seating here and enjoy some fresh air. Don't you guys think it's super cute? All right, the bathroom is right over here. Has plenty of space for showering, a little skylight for some extra sunlight, and a sink, mirror. Nothing too extravagant here, but very simple. You have storage in there, a toilet, of course. Plenty of space. The bedroom is right here. For the king and the queen. King size bed. Is a unique situation here. We have a washer dryer connection. If you want, you could take out these shelves in here, and that's it. What do you guys think?